Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I are on the Carnival Conquest. We're on the panorama deck, deck 10. And as you can see, there is no elevator here. We're in the rear of the ship. Okay, there are stairs, but you can't take an elevator up to this section here. You can only walk up the stairs. There's an elevator, I believe, midship that can get you up here. So we're going to stay to the right. There is a section up here for eating. It's always very quiet up here. When it's busy down on deck 9, there's usually no one ever up here. They serve barbecue over there. All right. So let's go around and look at the rest of deck 10. Now they are actually in the process of redoing some of the decking right now. So normally we stay to the right, but we're going to start here just real fast because we can't go any further than here. Bahamas. So they've been refurbishing the deck up here, and they're working on it back over there. So that area is closed. So we can't go all the way around anyway. So I just wanted to show you that. Also, we'll look down here. They're building a new water park right over there. It's going to be rather small from the looks of things, but they are building like a little water park right there here in the port. Most people think of water parks and think they're pretty decent size, but that one actually is going to be a little on the small side. So as we walk around deck 10, up here in the back of the ship, there's plenty of lounges, as you can see. There's a pool underneath here on deck 9, which we'll get to. We had another video on that to show you. I do believe that there's something going on with the retractable roof right now. As you see, it's sort of tied down with all these ratchets and chains. So I'm not sure it's functioning very well right now. Let's look out the back of the ship. Pretty busy day here in Nassau. It's kind of always busy here. There's the back of the funnel. Just to give you guys some reference of where we're at. I didn't point it out on the other side, but there is a staircase here to get up here from deck 9. Again, you can sort of see it over there. I didn't point it out, but there is same on both sides. There's that inside eating area that we were in. This is just the other side of it. So there's plenty of lounges up here. For the smokers in the world, this is your smoking area right up here on deck 10. There's 3 areas on the ship. Deck 3 on the outside, which we've already shown you. The casino if you're gambling. And up here on deck 10. Little windbreak right here. See, they do some work over here as well. So we'll just go as far as we can and then come back around. Not sure what they're doing, but they're working on something right here. They have it roped off. But you see, we overlook the pool here. A nice big screen up there for watching movies and things. All right. But the steakhouse on this ship is right here, midship. You can access it right here. By the way, when they do all the deck parties, this is where the DJ stands, the sail away party, DJ and all that stuff is up there. Got a little solo, where's the little button here? This one requires the button. All right, just again to show you where we're at. right here. We started back here. We're now right there. This leads to cabins, if I remember correctly. This over here is where your steakhouse is. So, on other Carnival ships, they're doing drills today. So, on the other ships, the other Carnival ships, for most of them, the steakhouse is called Fahrenheit 555. We're doing work over there, so we won't go over there. Here it's called the Point Steakhouse. We actually ate here last night, but it is Fahrenheit 555 menu. And this way first. And just so we're covering it. Oh, sorry, I thought this was cabins. That's the other side of the steakhouse. I thought it was cabins. Silly me. Other side of the steakhouse. All right, now since we can't get through that way because they have it roped off because they're painting or cleaning or something, we'll go over here just to sort of show it all to you. So there is a hot tub here. We were recently on the Glory, and this whole area was more of a kids' splash park. There was 2 or 3 slides, plus a big bucket drop for the kids. I think today is Towel Animal Day. Teach you how to make towel animals. I have them on all the chairs down here. All right. But there's a little pool here. And then you see, yeah, they're up there painting. Constantly painting. Nice. Oh, yeah. So we just have just a little bit more to see over there. Hello, how are you today? Now, I didn't mention it, but up there in the front are all the cabins. So you can get to the cabins from that door that I'm pointing at right there. That gets you to the cabin, so you have direct access out here to deck 10. But there are cabins on deck 10, 11, and 12. There's just a couple of cabins up there on 12, but we did those in a different video. Now, when we started this particular deck, we were all the way back there, and I told you they were working on the floor, on the decking out here, and you can see that's what they're doing. So they're just laying new floor, fixing it up. Right? These things take a beating. So, well, we're going to call this done. All right? So until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe.